All right, guys, we are very excited today because we have Fetty and Christopher McNugget. Welcome back to the Braille House.
Thank you.
So today, we're even more excited because we have the world's blackest skateboard ever. So there's this thing that it's called Vantablack, and you have to be like a registered scientist to be able to get this. And luckily I am. I went to a class in Montana where I learned science and I got a degree, and they gave us Vantablack. So we painted this whole skateboard with Vantablack because I'm a registered scientist.
And that's actually not it.
What if you got Vantablack on your hand? You can't see.
You would never see your hand again.
And here's the thing is because it's so black, you can't tell the difference between the wheels, the trucks, and the board. See, look. Can you see the wheels, trucks, and board?
It's all one thing.
It's all one thing. Here's the Vantablack right there. You can clearly see Vantablack.
Wow.
Also known as Black 2.0, and we painted this. Not only did we paint it, but before we painted it with Vantablack, the wheels were already black, the trucks were already black trucks, and the board had been spray painted with a coat of black. So even if the black chips off, it's still black.
Look, if you hold it at this angle, you can't see any of the trucks or wheels anymore.
Wow.
All right, well, let's give this a wang dango and see how it rolls.
A what?
It's Australian.
A wang danga.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right.
I got a whole book. I'll show you
Learned
later.
some new stuff today.
Yep. Okay, so here's what I think. I don't know if I can skate with these on, but I'm gonna try. So I think it's gonna be me versus Fetty versus Christopher McNugget, and we're gonna start it off easy. We're gonna start it off with a flat ground kickflip and see if they can land it. See, the reason this is hard, I don't know if you guys are tracking or not, because the board flips and you're not gonna be able to tell which side is which. We're gonna start it off with the lights on, and then eventually we're gonna get to like double flips with the lights off. Okay, you guys ready? The winner gets what?
The winner gets
the bottle of paint.
to go to a
Vantablack?
lab and play with the Vantablack.
The winner gets
Sounds
to go
good.
to a lab and play with Vantablack.
Sounds good.
I suck at things.
Ow.
First trick.
Are you hurt there? Every time I shake your hand, you say, "Oh."
He's just always hurt.
I sprained like this part of my hand.
You gotta see the video
sorry.
today. It's nothing but.
Are you sure we shouldn't
Fetty
just turn
falling.
off the lights first?
Yeah. The first challenge is a kickflip.
All right.
Gabe really wants to turn the lights off. What do you guys think? Leave it in the
I
comments
think it's
below.
gonna look cool.
All right.
Yeah. Oh, now we're talking.
Wow. It is just almost exactly the same brightness. My mind is blown. Let's go on a dark journey.
This video. Can't even see where I'm at.
Whoa, that does look weird.
It's kind of hard.
Really?
I think the grip just lacks.
Okay, here's the deal with black, guys. It is the absence of all colors. It absorbs all light. No light bounces off, so therefore you cannot kickflip because there is no grip. Let's see if
That and I suck at kickflips sometimes. Okay, I don't feel so bad. I did the same thing.
Wow.
I'm curious to see.
I'm coming up on this challenge. I'm coming up. Uh-oh, I want the world to know. I told you those voice lessons are paying off. Yeah, boy. Okay. First trick challenge done. Kickflip. Get all that dust off
That
there.
smell though.
Smells like
Chemically-
rotten.
What was that? Did I
It's a bit of a wang dango, I
Did
told
I
you.
wheel bite? I think I wheel bite.
This grip is so bad.
I love that they're all blaming it on the grip. Clearly, you could not see the trucks and wheels, and that's why you can't kickflip.
I like slightly pre-mode.
It's too black.
It is really black.
Because you couldn't see the trucks
It's
and
way
wheels.
easier to pre-mode because it's black.
What? I feel like he took like a fully cheater strategy on that. What were you thinking there? Like kickflip as low as possible, to keep it as low as to the ground as possible, to not primo.
Did not go fast.
6 tries later.
6 tries, but the most nicely executed kickflip of the game.
Wow.
The next challenge, boys, double flip. Yes. Psych. You got one try, but you do it. You got one try, go through it.
scary?
It was the most scariest experience of my entire life. It was exactly like that movie, The Quiet Place. Why didn't you catch it?
Because he couldn't see it, obviously.
Yeah, I can see. You got to pick your trick. I don't want to do it.
Oh, you're gonna pick the next trick. First try!
That just hovered right here the whole time, like like perfectly.
So did mine. Because Vantablack is the most blackest thing, it's exactly like a black hole, which absorbs everything. So you're actually riding, and it's actually absorbing the ground as you're riding on it, and then you pop, and then it goes into the ground and absorbs. So Fetty didn't want to do a double flip. He said he hasn't warmed up to double flips. So he's gonna choose the next trick. Fetty, what'll it be?
Hard flip.
Hard flip, okay. He's like over there stretching.
Is it harder that you guys' shoes are black?
Yes, actually. Yes. Okay.
Oh.
Yes.
I flailed.
Yeah.
That was weird.
He didn't want to try the double flip. I don't want to try the hard flip. I feel like I'll just be like, oh, my nuts are fine, and then whack. Nothingness into my nuts.
In my life yesterday, with that damn sheet,
You had nothingness into your nuts?
I had the ground into my nuts.
Vantablack straight
And
into
that
your
horse
nuts.
yesterday.
Oh my gosh! I thought I landed it, and then it was upside down. I couldn't tell because it was too black.
Wow.
I think this trick requires a little more grip,
Skill, expertise,
visibility.
and some good puns as well. Betty's got a good pun for the video.
This may be the worst board we've ever skated.
Wow! Vantablack.
That was stupid. I can't see part of my finger now.
Gone. It's gone. Oh wait, hold on a second.
Oh no.
Is that a turd?
Somebody had actual dog poop on their shoe and then stepped on the board.
Smells
Fetty,
like a Duraflame log.
Yeah, it was either Duraflame
What's on your
or
shoes?
chocolate cake.
What's on your shoes? Oh, like
Is it
nothing.
Not me.
Nothing.
Is it you, Aaron?
I think it's Aaron. Oh, it is Aaron. I saw that.
Nothing.
Duraflame.
Duraflame log.
It is a Duraflame log, though.
Jeez. All right.
I can kind of see the board now. There's some Duraflame log there.
Dude, that looked insane.
Let me try one more. Let's clean it up.
Almost.
Cut it out. So you choose the trick now. We got to give you at least one chance to choose a trick.
Nollie big spin.
Nollie, big spin.
The easy way or
Tutorial.
the hard way.
The hard way.
All right, 21 Savage. Yes. 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 Nollie big spin the hard way? Like actual hard way? He's
Yes.
like, which way's the hard way? I couldn't land it. I was so scared of landing in the poop. Please save that clip for Insane Slams episode 2.
Full send, man.
Okay, full send it.
Looks beautiful out there.
It'd be nice to go outside once in a while. It's too black. Disappeared. See me? Yes! Should we just move this into a game of skate? Game of skate with sunglasses.
Nice.
Thanks. Dang it. Yes, I'm last. Just where I wanted to be.
Dude, that wheel bite is dumb.
Yes.
Whoa! I'm not even kidding. I felt like I wasn't going to land on the top of it, and then I did.
Oh my God, are you serious?
It was like the black hole was pulling in all matter and energy, and it pulled his feet onto the board.
My ankle just like origami'd right now.
Landed it.
Actually, he did.
Yeah.
Oh no! Man, I really needed that offense the whole way through.
That was sketchy.
Wow, that was a nice moment between you guys. All right, that's A.
I've never seen Fetty miss a pressure flip.
Wow, Aaron.
Did that flip or was it the Vantablack? Did that
glad
way
it
too
wasn't.
close to the rail for comfort.
That's T.
Good.
Oh man! I almost level 28'd that Onyx.
Yeah, one more try.
Heel flip into the fourth dimension. I freaking knew I was gonna miss that. Wow! No! Mother! Chicken teddy, okay? Alright, what can I do that neither of them can do? Wait, you're on T, you got what? K? K and T. It's like my favorite band, Katy Perry. You might have thought it was a nollie, but it was actually a nollie flip. Because it was
You got me
Vantablack.
there. You tricked my brain.
What?
Polarity and the duality.
Yes.
There's the door.
Almost had that.
That's an A.
It is.
Thank goodness.
I was too black.
Oh, that's a T.
You guys know, if you've seen Interstellar, leave it in the comments below.
Oh! Never in my life did I think that would happen.
No, he can't miss a fakey trick.
You are officially the winner.
Finally, I
That
won
means-
something. All right, guys, well, that was a blast. A huge thanks to Christopher McNugget for coming out here
You're welcome.
and being such a good sport. You guys can subscribe to his channel. The link will be in the description below, and that would be really rad because this was not easy. So if you guys watched this video, you are now obligated. Actually, you're required by the state of California and all other states and all countries to now learn how to skateboard. If you don't, you're gonna have to go and turn yourself in and spend many months doing things that you don't wanna do. So click right here to go to brailleskateboarding.com. If you don't have a skateboard, get one. If you don't know how to skateboard, get Skateboarding Made Simple and it will teach you how to skateboard. We're on this big campaign to get many new people riding these because they're really fun. Then click right here to watch the solo wheel video, which we did, and it was a super, super, super blast. I don't even know how to describe how progressive that video is. So go check it out, you guys will love it. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and I will see you tomorrow.